Hello, I'm Andrew from Hendrickson. Today we're here to talk about the EXF lift axle suspension. Specifically, we're going to talk about two features: the way we connect the axle seats to the axle and the axle straightness. So the way we connect the seats, which are weld all the way around the axle, is to connect them to wraps that we have now borrowed from the INTRAAX trailer suspension. So now we have wraps with window welds, so we eliminate welds on the bottom of the axle and the top of the axle to increase axle life. In addition, we mechanically straighten every axle so that we can optimize tire wear for you. You get your choice on the EXF suspension. Since we're now adopting trailer technology, is you get your choice of spindle types to match what you currently run. Thank you for watching, and remember, Hendrickson is here to help you go the extra mile.